All right, so we're here today to add some strawberries to our blonde ale. We have a 15-gallon batch that we brewed a couple of weeks ago. It finished fermenting down from 1050 to 1010. So it's right where we want it to be. It's been on cold crash for a couple of days so the yeast could drop out. Done a little yeast dump already. Make sure we kind of got some of that out of the way. And then we've got some strawberries. There's a lot of different ways you can add strawberries, frozen strawberries, fresh strawberries. These are fresh frozen sliced, and then we heated them up to 80 to Celsius to pasteurize it, make sure we're not introducing any bugs into the beer, and hopefully limit any problems with re-fermentation that way from any Brettanomyces or bacteria. So now we've heated it up and allowed it to cool down, and now we're going to add it to the fermenter, and then hopefully in another week we'll be ready to can this beer, or keg this beer, and then can it. So I'm just going to take off the 4-inch port on the top, and then as soon as I get it off, I'm just going to do a bunch of spraying with a sani just to make sure that we're being as clean as we possibly can. And I'm holding the spoon, or I don't want to put it down either. Okay, well, sometimes I'll use the tri-clamp. So, spray that down, make sure that we're just keeping it as clean as possible. And so yeah, the wort, or the beer in there, is actually sitting quite high. It's within about 4 inches of the top. So I've got this little centrifugal concentric valve here to sort of help me out with and that's not working. Well, that is interesting. I'm going to close that valve, and I'm going to have to pour it in, I guess. So it wasn't exactly the plan, but it'll still work. Let's see if I can get oh boy, that's going to be a mess. Well, that was fun. Come on, berries, go to your home. And then after that, honestly, I'm just gonna have to wipe it down. That's what I gotta do to make sure we're...
You're gonna sanitize that.
Just get a little bit of, just to get the seal on, so I know it's sealed properly. A little bit of Star San in there, I'm not worried about it. Well, there we go. Hopefully that'll we'll give that a few days to do its thing, and then we'll do a little taste sample and see where it's at. So yeah, strawberry blonde ale.